You never know when a torque wrench is going to be taken out of spec. That's why you test them. But what if the tester you use is out of spec and you don't know it? Now you've got a real problem on your hands. Torq-Tronics 2 is the first digital torque tester of its kind that actually tells you that it could possibly have been taken out of spec and that you need to check it. Torq-Tronics 2 is very rugged and it gets pulled to 110, 115, 119% over capacity. It's not a problem. But at 120% of capacity, the fail-safe engineering goes to work. And here's what it does. First, the LED in the upper left-hand corner, titled the torque indicator, starts flashing, and it continues to flash as long as power is supplied. 2. The top line of the vacuum fluorescent display OV 120% of capacity. Third, in the lower left-hand corner where the OK and NG readings are for your test results, that stops functioning. 4. Track mode no longer works. 5. If the memory was off, Torq-Tronics 2 elephant memory kicks into action. It's called the elephant memory because it never forgets and it can never be erased. So it will always store the data for the overcapacity event. If the memory was on, it is still stored in the elephant memory. The reporting shows the overcapacity event, and then any subsequent test that is completed is identified with OVL in the test results column. So it no longer says OK or bad, it says OVL. This way you know exactly what was tested and when, and that the results are suspect. Let's pretend the memory was on and your worker tries to erase the data to reset the flashing red LED so he can go on with his work. The memory will not erase and the VFD flashes C supervisor. Part of error proofing is helping the workers do a better job, and in this case Torq-Tronics 2 is designed to help your workers do a better job because it prevents them from making mistakes and it tells them what to do in certain situations. Once the supervisor is notified, certainly we recommend that the unit be checked to ensure that it is in calibration. And then, if it is, the supervisor need only to access Torq-Tronics 2 via a hyperterminal program, and with a few keystrokes, the unit is reset, and now you can go back to regular testing. This kind of fail-safe engineering is designed to help ensure your quality stays exactly where you want it. After all, who do you want discovering that there was a problem? You or your customer?